them, make them yours. Enter directly, open the door.